This is getting ugly.
Yeah, now we're just talking about his face. He's pulling out all the stops tonight.
Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
That was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here. We know what this is. That's it. He's out. Even if you can get back to your feet after a move like that. At this stage of the match, you're still struggling to find your balance.
BigTaurusCam.
Talk about sending a message. What power. What a slam. What damage.
Yeah, that sent a message, all right. A message of pain.
Ooh, a little showboating going on.
Well, that didn't work.
We're looking at complete domination here. He's really putting his athleticism on display here.
Another jawbreaker. Call the dentist. We're going to need this.
Warm up the buses. This one's over. Got to keep your eyes peeled in matches like this. It's so tough to keep up with everything going on.
He's too busy bragging. What a shot!
God, there was nothing accurate about that attempted offense.
Oh, you're being too kind. Some people would use other words to describe what we just witnessed.
He may have to worry about internal injuries. He's resilient, but he may not be doing himself any long-term favors by staying in this one.
Oh, he's on Green Street. It's just a matter of time now. And no matter what, these are out in the WWE annals for years to come. I don't know how much longer he's going to be able to go.
Not today, too fast. Well, that messed him all right.
Hey, did you look before firing? What an idiot.
This is a level of destruction no one was expecting.
I certainly didn't expect to see this kind of damage. If he keeps up this pace, this could turn real ugly real fast. He's too busy bragging and boasting than battling in this matchup.
And he fails to connect with anything that time.
Man, that was some miss, all right. I can feel the breeze all the way over here. He's pulling out all the stops tonight. This could be what a move.
Ooh, a little showboating going on here. And he touches that one. Well, that messed him all right.
Hey, did you look before firing? What an idiot.
That's what happens when you're in a powerful grasp. You go down.
Oh, that slam was vicious.
And the tide seems to be changing once again. The fists are flying fast and furious. What a combination.
You're right about that. This looks like a pro boxer in there.
We're looking at complete domination here. He's showing incoming.
Had I not reversed that, I pressed that like 5 years earlier. 5 years earlier, for real.
Oh, this will bring everybody. That's it. He's done.
These competitors trying to keep their wits about them.
Well, Cole, it's so important not to lose your cool in a match like this, not to lose your focus. You make a mistake, and I guarantee you, your opponent is going to capitalize on it. Oh, man, what a shot.
Alright, play your game.
Look at this. Could it be? You got to believe this one's over.
Let's do it again.
He's too busy bragging and boasting than battling in this matchup. Looking to put an end of story. This one's over.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint
That
of
is so
weakness
fake.
in the other.
Well, that's a strategy you have to always have in the back of your head, Cole. If you ever see a weakness in your opponent, you got to jump on it.
Oh shit.
Quick thinking to avoid that. And he's heading back in.
I can't blame him. Nothing good is going to happen out here on the floor.
Looking for the win. What a maneuver.
So he's got RKO's his normal moves as Randy Orton, and the DDT's his finisher. Okay.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
Well, I don't blame him. Keep the action inside the ring. That's where you're going to win this thing.
At least he's done the grapple though.
Dishing out some...
What a win! And he